In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install LastPass Chrome extension. By the end, you'll have the official LastPass extension added to Google Chrome so you can save, fill, and manage passwords right from your browser. Make sure you're using Google Chrome on a desktop or laptop, since these steps are specific to Chrome and the Chrome Web Store. Start by heading to the LastPass website. Open Chrome, click into the address bar at the top, and go to lastpass.com or the LastPass Vault page. Landing on the official site is a good way to confirm you're working with the right service before you add anything to your browser. Now look to the top right of Chrome for the small puzzle-shaped icon. That's the extensions menu. Click it to open the list of extensions you have and quick links to manage them. If you don't see the icon, try maximizing your browser window so the toolbar is fully visible. From that menu, choose Manage Extensions. This opens Chrome's built-in extensions page where you can view, remove, or add extensions. It's a central place Chrome provides to keep your add-ons organized and secure. On the extensions page, click the link to the Chrome Web Store. Always install browser extensions from the official store to ensure they're verified and regularly updated. This helps protect you from imitation tools or outdated versions that might compromise security. In the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top left and type LastPass. In the results, find the official LastPass extension. Check that it's from the verified LastPass publisher and that it has solid ratings. When you're confident it's the right one, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will display a small pop-up describing the permissions the extension needs to work properly, like reading and filling data on websites you visit. Review the prompt and then click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it in just a moment, and you'll see a confirmation that it's been added. If you don't see a new icon immediately, open the puzzle icon again. The LastPass extension will be listed there and ready to use. That's it. You've installed the LastPass Chrome extension from the official Chrome Web Store. The next time you visit a login page, the extension can help generate strong passwords and fill them securely. If you aren't signed in yet, the extension will prompt you to log into your LastPass account so everything syncs across your devices. Thanks for watching and enjoy the added security and convenience.